In the quiet village of Serenity Grove, nestled between rolling hills and whispering streams, lived a man named Koji. Koji was known throughout the village for his kind heart, unwavering patience, and deep understanding of life's mysteries. He had earned the respect and admiration of every villager, young and old. Yet Koji was not always the revered figure he had become. Years ago, Koji was a restless soul. He would often let his emotions control him, leading to outbursts of anger and frustration. He would argue relentlessly, seeking validation for his opinions and proving his worth through forceful words. The villagers knew him as a troublemaker, someone whose company brought anxiety and unease. One day, as Koji sat beneath the ancient cherry blossom tree, deep in thought, he noticed an old man approaching. The old man's serene aura and wise eyes caught Koji's attention. Intrigued, Koji decided to approach him. "Good day, young man," the old man greeted with a warm smile. "Good day, sir," Koji replied, slightly surprised by the old man's aura of tranquility. "I have been watching you," the old man said, "and I see that you possess great potential, but you carry within you some habits that hinder your growth and connection with others." Koji, taken aback by the old man's insight, asked, "What habits do you speak of, sir?" The old man began to enumerate, "There are 6 habits that you must leave behind if you wish to gain the respect and admiration of those around you. These habits are like clouds that obscure the brilliance of the sun within you." Koji was both curious and eager to hear these habits. The first habit you must leave behind is the habit of ego. When you let your ego guide you, you become blind to the needs and perspectives of others. Humility will open your heart to the richness of human experience. Reacting impulsively to situations robs you of your inner peace. The habit of reactivity blinds you to the truth of the moment. Instead, cultivate the habit of responding with mindfulness and understanding. Attachment to outcomes and possessions breeds suffering. When you let go of your attachment, you liberate yourself from the chains of desires and gain true freedom. Judging others only reflects your own inner struggles and limitations. When you let go of judgment, you pave the way for compassion and acceptance. Impatience blinds you to the beauty of the journey. Embrace the present moment fully and let go of the need for immediate results. Patience will reveal the depth and wisdom of life. Fear is the root of all suffering. It keeps you trapped in your comfort zone and prevents growth. Face your fears with courage, and you will find strength and resilience you never knew you had. Koji listened intently, his heart absorbing the old man's words like a parched earth soaking up rain. He realized that these habits had held him back for so long, and he was determined to transform himself. With gratitude, Koji bowed to the old man and said, "Thank you for these teachings, sir. I will strive to leave these habits behind and cultivate a heart of humility, mindfulness, detachment, compassion, patience, and courage." The old man smiled approvingly. Remember, change is a gradual process. It requires conscious effort and self-awareness. But as you shed these habits, you will find the world around you transforming as well. With those words, the old man left, disappearing into the mist as if he had never been there. Koji returned to the village, determined to embark on his journey of transformation. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Koji practiced the old man's teachings diligently. Whenever he felt his ego arising, he would take a deep breath and remind himself of the importance of humility. When faced with challenges, he would pause and respond with mindfulness instead of reacting impulsively. Slowly but surely, the villagers began to notice the change in Koji. He was no longer quick to anger or argumentative. He radiated a sense of calmness that drew people to him. They found solace in his presence, seeking his advice and sharing their troubles. As time went on, Koji became a beacon of wisdom and serenity in the village. He had shed his old habits and transformed into a man who embodied the teachings of the old man under the cherry blossom tree. The villagers respected him not because of his forceful words, but because of his peaceful presence and genuine understanding. Word of Koji's transformation spread beyond Serenity Grove. Travelers came, and so the powerful Zen story of Koji's journey from a restless soul to a revered teacher became a timeless lesson in the art of self-improvement. The tale served as a reminder that true respect is earned not through force, but through the cultivation of inner qualities that bring peace, understanding, and compassion into one's life. And as the cherry blossoms continued to bloom in Serenity Grove, Koji's legacy lived on, inspiring generations to leave behind their own clouds of habits and embrace the radiant sun of their true selves.